Most people who want to start a YouTube channel get stuck at the same place. Not the filming, not the editing, the blank page. You know what video you want to make. You know who you want to help. But when it's time to actually write the script, suddenly everything disappears. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I solve that problem, using one ChatGPT prompt that writes my entire YouTube script in under 10 minutes. And the best part? The script you're listening to right now was created using this exact prompt. Welcome back to AISkillsForBiz. This is the exact process I use to write every script on this channel, including this one. I think the blank page is one of the biggest reasons people never start a YouTube channel. You spend hours researching, you watch other creators, you make notes. But when it's time to put everything together, you freeze. A good script gives you structure. It keeps the video moving, but it shouldn't sound robotic. It should still sound like a real person talking. Should sound like you. That's where ChatGPT helps. It removes the blank page problem entirely. Instead of starting from nothing, you're starting with a complete draft, and that's a much easier place to work from. Now let's look at the actual prompt. You'll find a copy in the description, but I want to show you why each section matters. The first section is channel details. This tells ChatGPT who you are and who you're talking to. Without this information, the output is usually generic. It sounds like every other AI-generated script on the internet. Next is the audience description. This is where specificity matters. Don't just say business owners. Describe exactly who they are. For example, on this channel, I focus on non-technical business owners, side hustlers, and generally speaking people who want to use AI tools to save time and make money. The more detail you give, the better the script becomes. Then we have tone. This is your brand voice. How do you want to sound? For AISkillsForBiz, I tell ChatGPT to keep things conversational, approachable, and honest. No jargon, no hype, no guru energy. After that comes the video details. This includes the title and target length. Always include your title. ChatGPT uses it to structure the script around the main promise you're making to viewers. Then comes the content section. This is the part I change every time. I simply list the main points I want to cover. That's it. ChatGPT turns those points into a full script. Finally, I give formatting instructions, short sentences, section labels, pause markers, anything that saves editing time later. The more specific you are, the better the output. Let's see it in action. I'm going to attach the script in ChatGPT in Word format and click Enter. Now watch what happens. The script starts appearing almost immediately. You can see the hook, the section structure, the pause markers. Everything is already laid out. In most cases, this takes less than 2 minutes, which is a lot faster than staring at a blank document for an hour. Now, here's the important part. I don't just copy and paste the result. I always read through it. I make changes. Once you've got your script, read it out loud before recording. You'll immediately spot anything that sounds unnatural. Things that looked fine on screen suddenly feel awkward when spoken. Remember that the script isn't the finished product. You're still responsible for making it sound human. A good rule is 80% ChatGPT and 20% your own personality. The 20% is actually the most important part. It's what makes your content sound different from every other AI channel out there. So, is this worth doing? I think so. If you're creating content regularly, ChatGPT can save a huge amount of time. ChatGPT Plus costs around £20 per month. For regular creators, I think it's worth the money. The free version works too. It's just slower and generally less capable. One thing to keep in mind is that your first prompt probably won't be perfect. You'll need to tweak it, adjust it, improve it over time. The more ChatGPT understands your channel style, the better the scripts become. If you'd like a copy of this prompt, there's a free template linked in the description. Copy it, adapt it, and make it your own. I've also included my free AI toolkit if you want to explore some of the other tools I use. If you found this helpful, subscribe for weekly AI tutorials designed for business owners and side hustlers. Once your script is written, the next challenge is turning it into content across all your platforms. That's exactly what I've solved using Claude AI, And in the next video, I'm going to show you how I set up 5 custom Claude AI skills that write, grade, and schedule my social media content all inside one conversation. I'll see you there.